It's Sheet Fools. We've tilted our headers. We've changed the header font to Comic Sans. We've typed in Microsoft Excel and changed it to Google Sheets. Right now, we're going to add a coffee time at 2 p.m. every day. We want our sheet to say, hey, it's coffee time. Go up to Extensions App Script. Over here, you'll see all these other automations. You can get all of these in this exact sheet over at bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Get them all. We're going to write a new function up here. Function coffee time with those curly brackets, and we're gonna say spreadsheet app get active dot toast. Yeah, should we have toast with our coffee? Let's just say, hey, it's coffee time. Put a little emoji here. Control Command Space. Coffee there. Coffee time. Command S. Save this. And if we want to see it, let's go to coffee time, run it, and go over here and see. It says coffee time. Okay, we want to make this happen at 2 p.m. every single day. Over on the left side, go to trigger. We're still in our app script. Go to bottom right, add trigger. Choose which function to run. We're going to choose coffee time. Again, we have a lot here. Choose event source, time driven, hour timer, and we're going to select, no, not hour timer, day timer. Select, let's say 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Click save. Now what's going to happen is the first time this runs, it will be a random time between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. And then thereafter, it'll be 24 hours later. So it's coffee time at some point between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. The issue here, if you want to have it at a specific time, we can't do it regularly. But we can do time driven, but we can select a specific date and time. You can say 2025, month could be 1, or 4 is April 1st, an hour, 13, colon, let's say 20. That's when our break is. And see, now we have a very specific date and time, and we can hit save. And that will trigger at that particular time. Coffee time. Just once on April Fool's Day, we can set that. If it's April Fool's Day today, make sure you go over to bettersheets.co/sheetfools and get all of these automations completely free into your Google Drive. Check them out. We have some awesome stuff here. That was coffee time. Enjoy. We have a lot of videos out today. I wonder what's going to happen next. Oh, yeah. We're going to delete a row and say, hey, what did you do to my row?